Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Ulefone Armor X7 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to almost very bottom, but basically down to localize the system. Now let's tap on date and time on the second position, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using automatic options to set the time and the time zone. So first of all, let's turn off the switcher and tap on the first option and choose off. Now as you can see we can freely tap on the date, and from this calendar we can choose the date we want to use. Just tap on it and confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just choose it from this clock and confirm it with OK. Let's tap on the select time zone, tap on the region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available regions from which we can choose. So find yours and tap on it, and it will be applied again. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. We can also use or actually change the clock format. Currently we are using 24-hour one. We can either use local default or manually decide to use 12-hour format just by turning off this option and turning it on to set the 24-hour one again. So this is the whole customization of the date and time. Of course, we can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on the switcher to use network provided time zone and to use network provided time or GPS provided time. It's up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.